Welcome to the technical specifications and performance guide for the OnePlus Nord CE6. Your journey with this outstanding device begins here. Experience 6 years of smoothness, powered by Oxygen OS 16. The system is designed to retain an A fluency rating, and the battery stays healthy for years. The OnePlus Nord CE6 features the powerful Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 processor. It delivers 2.7 GHz speeds and scores 1.17 million on AnTuTu. It comes with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. Enjoy the segment's fastest touch response. The display uses a 3200 Hz touch sampling rate and delivers 144 FPS gameplay for faster inputs and better wins. The 144 Hz 1.5K AMOLED display pushes 1800 nits of brightness. With 3840 Hz PWM dimming, your eyes will feel comfortable day and night. The 8000 mAh battery can last for 2.5 days. This provides up to 10 hours of gaming, 17.5 hours of GPS use, or 30 hours of video streaming. With 80W SUPERVOOC charging, the charger restores power in only 64 minutes. The phone can also charge other devices at 27W, saving you time on every stop. The OnePlus Nord CE6 offers military-grade durability. It resists deep water and hot jets, survives 25 drops onto steel, and withstands freezing and fire. Capture stunning visuals with the 50 megapixels main and 32 megapixels selfie cameras. The main 50 megapixels lens uses dual-axis OIS, and the cameras record 4K video. The 32 megapixels selfie camera captures 90-degree angles. OnePlus AI technology unblurs your photos, erases unwanted objects, and creates perfect portraits. Experience global connectivity, connecting to 5G networks. The system uses multiple global satellites like GPS, GLONASS, QZSS, and Galileo, helping you find your way anywhere. Here is the technical blueprint. Key features include the Snapdragon 7's Gen 4, a 6.78-inch 144 Hz AMOLED display, 50 megapixels main camera, and an IP69K build. The complete package includes the phone case, power adapter, and the USB-C cable. The device is manufactured by Oppo Mobiles India. The OnePlus Nord CE6 offers extreme durability, unmatched speed, and allows you to capture perfect memories. Take the next step.